Hi everyone! Welcome back on Lingoni. I hope you are doing well. Today I would like to teach you how to use the expression have a good trip in French. In French, you could say bon voyage. Have a good trip. Bon voyage. Let's see some examples. Je te souhaite un bon voyage au Mexique. Or the formal way, je vous souhaite un bon voyage au Mexique. I hope you have a good trip to Mexico. Bon voyage! Appelle-moi de Paris. Have a good trip. Call me from Paris. Comment vas-tu? As-tu fait un bon voyage? Or the formal way. Comment allez-vous? Avez-vous fait un bon voyage? How are you? Did you have a good trip? That's all for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you soon on Lingoni. À bientôt! Au revoir!